What steps do we take to make sure that your house is exactly the way you need it before it gets shipped to you? We're going to answer some of those questions today. I'm Sean Metz at EcoPanels of Tennessee. Now, today I'm standing in the middle of a customer's home. Our panels are being put up as we speak. Um, as you look around, this is the last line of defense that we have on our quality checks. We will go ahead and put up everybody's structure right here. We'll go ahead and lock all the cam locks, uh, put in all of our adjustment panels, screw them together, make sure everything is exactly the way that you need it before it gets shipped to you. And that's one of the things that we stand by is our quality. So if you have any questions or you want to come check it out yourself, give us a call. We'll be happy to walk you through it.